In the last lesson, we digitized these same fill stitches utilizing the standard mode. In this lesson, we're going to utilize the advanced mode of digitizing. And if you didn't watch the video that explained the difference between standard and advanced digitizing mode, you'll want to go back and watch that. Basically, it all has to do with the way that you create your stitches, the options that you get when you finish outlining the object. So let's go ahead and go to advanced mode here. I don't really need to change the satin because I'm not doing a satin stitch right now. I'm only doing a complex fill. I'm going to hit OK here. And now what we're going to do is we're going to do the same structure. We're going to punch out these holes at the same time, creating a fill stitch. So let me go into the fill stitch. I'm going to left mouse click around this design. That's all you do is left mouse click. When I get to the end here, I'm not going to go all the way to the edge. I'm going to come right inside of it, left click, and now I'm going to press the letter H on the keyboard. That's the letter H for hole, letting the software know that I'm about to create a hole in this fill stitch. So you can see that now my cursor changed. I can come in here and I'm going to hold down the control key to go around this circle. Same thing when I get to the end here, just holding down control as I click. I'm not going to go all the way to the edge. I'm going to hit the letter H again to let the software know that I want to create another hole in this structure. So come over to the star, and all I'm going to do is left mouse click around this star. And when I get to the end, I'll do the same thing as before. I will not go all the way up to the top. I will come in really close to the top. Left mouse click, I'm going to hit the letter H again because I want to create another hole. And on this design, I'm going to hold down the control key as I go around this structure. So holding down control as I left mouse click. And I'm not getting it perfect, but we'll continue on with it. Okay, so when I get close to the end, now I know I'm done, getting all the holes punched through. All I'm going to do is come out here and I'm going to right mouse click, and you'll see that it automatically dropped a line in here. This is my angle line. So let's say that I did want to change that. I wanted the angle line to be a little bit different. I can go ahead and do that, and then I can right mouse click, and now you see that I have a green triangle at the bottom. This lets me know is where do you want the design to start. Well, let's say that I wanted to start down here on this corner. It's recommending up here, but I want it to start down here. And the next icon you see next to my cursor is a red triangle, meaning where do you want it to stop. Well, if I start it right here and the angle is going this direction, I'm going to want it to stop probably right here to keep it all going in one motion. So once I do that, you can see that the stitches are automatically set. So in the advanced mode, you get the option to set your own angle and where you want the object to start and end, and that's different from the standard mode because the software automatically picks that for you in the standard mode. So this mode, the advanced mode, gives you a little bit more control. Same thing for this structure. We'll go ahead and digitize it. I'm just going to left mouse click around here. I'm going to drop a stitch here before I start doing a curve stitch so that it keeps uniform here. Let's see here, and I'll show you what happens. I'm going to release the the control key, and I'm going to just do a standard left click. If I didn't drop a little stitch right there and I went immediately in and tried to do a control click, you'll see that it would bow everything. So we don't want to do that, so we want to come in here, left click, and we want to drop another left click right here. That sets that stitch, and now we can hold down control and click around this object. I'm going to release control now, and I'm just going to left mouse click, left mouse click, left mouse click. Now I can come in and hit control and left mouse click, control mouse left mouse click. Now I'm just left mouse click, left mouse click, left mouse click, hold down control and left mouse click around this object. When I get to the end here, I'm going to right mouse click. I'm going to be able to set the angle. In this case, I want it to be straight up and down, so I'm going to keep it right there. So now I'm going to right mouse click. Now it's going to let me put in the start point and the end point. I can put these wherever I want. I'm going to go ahead and do them right in here. You can see then it creates the structure. So the advanced mode just gives you a little bit more flexibility and capability. You're able to set your angle lines, your start points and end points. So that's how you are able to create fill stitches and fill stitches with a hole utilizing the advanced digitizing mode.